Installation and operation of 3 target magnetron coating equipment. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. The other end of the connection device. Tighten the clamp. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full. Generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. This is the water outlet of the water cooler. This is the water inlet of the water cooler. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the equipment. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the equipment. Connect air compressor air pipe. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. Connect the vacuum pump to the power supply. Connect the air compressor power supply. Connect the water cooler power supply. Turn on the vacuum pump. Turn on the water cooler power. Connect the argon gas line. Tighten with a wrench. After the power cord is connected, turn on the main power switch. Power on the device. Turn on the vacuum gauge power. Turn on the power E. Turn on the power R. Turn on the power Sun. Turn on the bias power supply. Turn on the molecular pump power. Click to enter the operation interface. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Open the sample stage cover. Installing the sample. Close the sample stage shutter. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Click to get vacuum. Click OK. Observe the vacuum value changes. When the vacuum value reaches below 20%, you can click to start the molecular pump. The vacuum value is now below 20%. Then the 2 valves will open automatically. Click to start the molecular pump. This frequency will drop from 400 to 0. Then after rising to 400, the molecular pump runs stably. Click on Film Thickness Settings. There are 3 film thickness meters here. This is the frequency of the film thickness gauge. This position shows the film thickness, now the total film thickness. Click to switch individual film thickness. This is the film thickness E. This is the film thickness R. This is the film thickness Sun. Click here to set. Now set to Sun. Click Select. Taking silver as an example, click Apply. Now setup number Sun is complete. Then click Switch E. Click Settings. Aluminum as an example, click Apply. Now setup number is complete. Then click Switcher. Click Select. Aluminum as an example, click Apply. Now setup number is complete. After all settings are completed, click Exit. Click to return. When the vacuum value is less than 0, here it is also shown. Click on Cleaning Mode. Click OK. Then click on the flow meter. Set a larger flow rate. Wait until the vacuum reaches about 30%. Adjust flow meter parameters. For example, 100. Keep the flow rate stable at around 30%. Now start the base power supply to clean the sample. Now it is current mode. Click this menu. Switch to voltage mode. Now 1000. Click on this minus sign. Adjust to about 300 volts. Now it's at 300 volts. Now turn on the base supply. Click this button. The cleaning process can be observed through the viewing window. After cleaning is complete, click the button to stop. After the voltage drops to 10, cleaning completed. After sample cleaning is completed, now clean the cavity. In cleaning mode, adjust the flow rate to the maximum of 200. Click to return. According to process requirements, clean for about 5 分钟 use. Clean about 3 times. After cleaning, click flow is set to 0. Click to get vacuum. Click OK. Click to set the sample stage rotation. For example, input 20. For example, forward. Click to return. Rotating. Now demonstrate the sample stage lifting. Click Reset first. Then set the height. For example, 10. Click OK. Lifting. Now ready for coating. Click flow meter. For example, enter 150. Click to return. Take power supply as an example. Click to open the flap E. Click to set power parameters. Click power mode. For example, 50. Click to return. Click to start the coating process. The coating process can be observed through the observation window. When the film thickness reaches the required, click to turn off the power. Close the flap. When the coating is completed, click Stop. Then click on the sample. Then the air release valve will open automatically and start to release air. When the vacuum value reaches 10 pa of atmospheric pressure, unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Remove the sample. The following is an introduction to the automatic operation process. Click on the automatic process. Click Configure. According to process parameters, corresponding to the accurate input parameters. Then click Save. Click Exit. Then click Start Automatic Process. Then the coating process can be displayed here. The experiment is completed.